Hi everyone! Did you know that managing your budget effectively means adapting to life's ups and downs? So today we'll be creating custom goals for budget categories inside of Penny Planner. That way, giving us the flexibility to allow our finances to reflect our reality for every month of the year. So let's dive in. In Penny Planner, setting up custom goals allows you to override the default monthly goals you've previously set for each category. This is perfect for adapting to challenges like holiday spending or unexpected expenses. To create a custom goal, you just hover over the default goal value on any of the categories for any month that you can see on your dashboard. Can you see that small pencil icon? Click on it to create your custom goal. Once you click the pencil icon, you'll see a pop-up where you can enter the new goal amount for that specific month and category. After you have updated the goal value, you just hit the save button and Penny Planner is going to do everything else for you. It should automatically save the new custom goal and update the dashboard so it reflects your changes. Now, if you decided that you want to update your custom goal once again, you sure can do that. You can just click the same pencil icon and you will see your current custom goal and you will be able to update it once again and save the changes. But also, if we take a look, when we are working with existing custom goal, not the default category goal, we can see that we have a delete button inside of the pop-up. If you click that delete button, you will, of course, be able to remove the custom goal and go back to default categories goal. So now, after going through all of those steps, I think we can all agree that custom goals are your very powerful ally when trying to reflect your real-life situation into your budget planning. Because you'll agree with me, budget planning is definitely not one size fits all. So make sure that you're adjusting your financial goals to reflect your aspirations. Ready to give it a try? Well, feel free to jump into Penny Planner and start creating your custom tailored budget planners today. On the other hand, if you're looking for more tips and tricks on how to use Penny Planner and get the most out of it, feel free to browse the rest of our explanation video libraries here on YouTube. And of course, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to post them in the comment section below this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.